Hello, my name is Thomas Hoffmann with Hoffmann Machine Company, and this is our MS-35 double miter saw. The MS-35 double miter saw ensures precision 45 miter cuts. It is designed to process workpieces up to a cross-section of 90 by 90 millimeters and stands for uncomplicated and safe working. After starting up the machine, the operator pushes the start button, the machine safety hood closes, and the saw units travel down to cut the molding. The first cut is the so-called trim cut. Then, each cycle provides a finished workpiece cut on both ends. On completion of the cutting sequence, the material is released and can be taken out of the machine. The machine can handle various materials such as solid wood, MDF, OSB, WPC, and even plastic material. To start or stop the machine, the operator presses the on and off button on the control panel and sets the stop with a digital length measuring system. Even foil-wrapped profiles and melamine-coated moldings can be processed. With 4 single clamping cylinders on each side, even a heavily detailed molding is held securely on the table. Depending on the size and profile pattern, these clamps can be activated or deactivated for perfect workpiece clamping. The material support ensures a perfect alignment of the bar length. Hoffmann only uses top quality components for the electrical controls of the machine. Bosch components stand for high quality and are available worldwide. The waste cut is removed via the chute on the right-hand side of the machine. Safety is important to us. Here you can see the safety switch on the machine cover. Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.